Hey everybody, today we're in a Ford F-Series. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 213584. Before we get started, I just want to mention the faceplate does come separately, and you want to make sure that we complete the entire install of the mount to the vehicle before we screw the holder to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount is going to attach to the top of the dash, and the first thing we're going to look at is actually up here in the cubby. So you're just going to want to remove the little rubber flap that's in the bottom of the cubby. Then you're going to take the included gap opener, and we're going to insert that right into this seam between these two dash panels right here. And you'll basically have to press the gap opener flat against the front and just kind of work it down in there just so we can open this seam up. Now we're going to take the long piece of the mount with this little channel here, and that's going to go down into the seam we just opened. That's in there. We can take the gap opener out, and now basically we're going to rotate the mount down so that that lip we put under there slides forward under the panel. There we go. Now take your gap opener again, and the second seam is right here. It's between this piece of plastic right on the face and just under it right here. It meets the piece of plastic that goes around the screen here. So we're going to insert the gap opener right between those two so we can open up this channel right here. Then you're going to take your faceplate, which has a little J channel at the bottom, and we're going to insert that J channel up into the seam we just opened. And now you want to attach the faceplate using the included screws. And the easiest way to do this is to just start both the screws just to get them in. Once they're in, then you can tighten them all the way down, and this remaining gap here will close up. And just kind of go back and forth until you have them totally tightened down and the two parts come together and grip the dash completely. With the screws in place, we can take the gap opener out. Now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.